Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have been hearing a lot about this hair coloring wax that does really color your hair temporarily, even if it's a dark color hair. So I have been trying to color my hair differently, and as you can see, it's like really messed up color, right? So there's like a brownish color over there. I've always had really dark hair, like black hair, or if I'm gonna color it, it's gonna be like dark brown, or if not, it's gonna be, this is probably the lightest color that I have. And I wanted to try and bleach it and color my hair, but I'm afraid that it's gonna be so extreme that it's gonna be blinding. So I'm not so sure about that. So I'm like, okay, maybe I can try something that's just temporary. So I did try the chalk one, which you kind of like rub in your hair, and it does color your hair though. Like it does look blue, right? It does look pink. But I'm like, okay, but when you lay down and you touch your hair, it's like all over your hand. And I'm like, I hope it doesn't get my white shirt dirty or my pants dirty or something if I kind of like do that to my hair. Like I like messing it up like that, right? So I'm just afraid that if I have it on my hand and I didn't see it, then I'm like, ah! So I tried researching and see if I'll be able to go ahead and find something that is gonna work for me for now, temporarily. I came across this ad on Instagram. That's where I first saw it, and it says that it's a temporary hair color, right? And so I got it on Amazon, and I'm like, oh God, I think I'm screwed, because I got a box that didn't say the name, but apparently when I open it, it does say the name. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I got, okay? And it is called Mofajang. There you go. Mofajang, all right? Mofajang. So it's a hair coloring material. It's a wax, okay? They have different colors. They have a pink, I think. There's a blue. There's the one I got is silver, and there's a purple. What else do we have? They have green, I think. So there's a lot of colors that you can really get, and I want to experiment with the silver one. I should have gotten more, but I just want to try it, and I want to go ahead and try it in front of you guys. All right, so let's go ahead and try and see what it's going to do for me, okay? Okay, so what we need to do is you have to put it in your hand and you just have to rub it. It smells good. Actually, it smells good. This is how it looks like. Okay. That's how it looks like. Let's go ahead and try it. So you have to just rub it between your hands like this. Okay. There. You can see it. That's how it looks like. Okay. Okay, so they said that you just have to do it like, not rub it, but kind of like brush into your hair. Okay, let's see. Ew. Okay. Alright, okay. Okay. Maybe. I don't know if I should like really rub it or something. Not sure. There. Okay. But I still have a lot in my hand. Like it didn't go transfer, so I'm not so sure if it's, you have to do this. Maybe. There. Okay. I don't want to do it on. Okay, there. There. I'll rub it in. Okay, so I did it, but I still have a lot in my hand. What do you guys think? I still haven't washed my hand. It looks like it gone hardened in my hand. Like I try to put it in there. Now if I rub it, like it doesn't come off. It doesn't come off, so I got a silver hand. What do you guys think? It did turn my hair white or gray, some of them, but apparently I still have most of the product in my hand. Hands, by the way. I'm not so sure I'm applying it incorrectly. It dried up in my hand. And this is how it looks like. If you can see it. Right? So let me know how you applied it in your hair, and if it did get stuck in your hands, please do sound your comments down below. Let me know what happened to your experiment right there. Alright, if you do like this video, please do hit the like button. And if you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Show me your love. Click that button down below. Until my next video, thank you so much for watching.